Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 13th, 2025, and we're diving into Biote's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Biote has been making waves in the preventive healthcare sector, and their latest financial results provide a lot to discuss.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Biote reported a net revenue of $49.8 million for the fourth quarter of 2024, which is a 9% increase compared to the same period last year. John, can you elaborate on this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is primarily driven by a 5% increase in procedure revenue, despite some headwinds from transitioning to upgraded clinical decision support software. Additionally, dietary supplement revenue saw a 10.2% boost thanks to their e-commerce platform on Amazon. The gross profit margin also improved to 71.8%, reflecting effective cost management and vertical integration of their manufacturing facility.
And what about profitability?
Net income for the quarter was $3.5 million, with an adjusted EBITDA of $15.1 million, indicating strong operational leverage. However, it's worth noting that net income decreased from $12.1 million in the previous year, largely due to changes in the fair value of earn-out liabilities and increased legal expenses.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 9 cents for Biote based on a survey of 3 analysts. The actual EPS came in slightly higher at 10 cents. John, what does this tell us about Biote's performance?
This slight beat on EPS indicates that Biote managed to exceed expectations, albeit marginally. It suggests that the company is effectively managing its costs and operations, even as it invests in new initiatives like the Biote platform and upgraded software. This is a positive sign for investors looking for stability and growth potential.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Looking at the full year, Biote reported a revenue of $197.2 million, a 6.4% increase from 2023. John, how has Biote managed to maintain such growth?
The growth is largely attributed to their strategic initiatives, including the vertical integration of their 503B manufacturing facility, which has improved their gross profit margin to 70.5%. Additionally, their focus on optimizing manufacturing efficiency and strengthening the supply chain has paid off.
And what can we expect for 2025?
Biote has provided a revenue guidance range of $202 to $208 million for 2025, with procedure revenue expected to grow by 2 to 4%. They are focusing on maximizing the value of top-tier providers and expanding their practitioner network, which should drive future growth.
CEO and CFO insights. Let's talk about the insights from Biote's leadership. What did CEO Bret Christensen and CFO Bob Peterson have to say about the company's performance and future?
CEO Bret Christensen highlighted the significant progress Biote has made over the past 15 months, particularly with the launch of the Biote platform and upgraded software. He emphasized their efforts to optimize manufacturing efficiency and strengthen their supply chain. CFO Bob Peterson noted the improved gross profit margin and the company's strong financial position, with $39.3 million in cash and cash equivalents.
It sounds like Biote is well-positioned for future growth.
Indeed, their strategic initiatives and focus on individualized healthcare solutions are setting a strong foundation for continued success.
Key takeaways. In summary, Biote has delivered a solid performance in the fourth quarter and full year of 2024, with a slight beat on EPS and strong revenue growth. Their strategic initiatives and focus on operational efficiencies are paving the way for future success. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Biote's performance.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on BOT's performance in the comments below. Until next time.